Arthur was a rich man who lived with his son Archie. Archie was in grade 5. Arthur's wife had died when Archie was 4. Arthur was always busy with meetings and factory visits. Archie felt lonely. He was not good at studies. Teachers scolded him, and classmates laughed at him. Arthur was also upset with his results. One morning, the math period was going on. Sir Thompson wrote a math problem on the board. Then he pointed at Archie.
Solve this.
Archie walked to the board, but couldn't solve it. His head dropped in shame. Sir Thompson sighed.
I already knew this would happen. Go and sit down.
All the classmates started smiling. Archie couldn't lift his head. He slowly went back to his seat. His eyes filled with tears, but he wiped them quietly. One day, during break time, Archie went to his classmate John. Archie said softly,
"Can I sit with you? I brought sandwiches. Maybe you'll like it."
But John refused.
No. My mom says to make friends only with smart kids.
All the boys started laughing. Archie's face turned red. He went back slowly. He couldn't even take a single bite of his favorite sandwiches. Soon, the final exams were over, and results day arrived. Arthur went to school with Archie. The teacher gave the report card. Arthur's face tightened as he looked at the marks. On the way back, he scolded.
I gave you the best school. Why are you so slow?
Archie lowered his head.
Dad, I think I should get my eyesight checked.
Arthur said coldly.
Enough. Don't make excuses.
Archie couldn't say anything more. That evening, Archie was sitting on a park bench. Tears were rolling down his cheeks. He whispered,
God, please help me. My mom is gone.
A boy named Tom was sitting on a nearby bench. He saw Archie crying and came.
Little boy. Any problem?
Archie shook his head. Tom smiled.
Will you be my friend? Or maybe my brother?
Archie nodded. Tom sat beside him.
Now tell me.
Archie said slowly.
I'm not good at studies. Math looks hard. And science too. My teachers scold me. And my classmates laugh at me. Dad is also upset.
Tom said,
You need study help. Come tomorrow with your books. Okay?
Archie nodded. The next day, he reached the park with his bag. Tom taught him math, and then gave him a test. Archie solved it correctly. Tom was surprised.
You're very good at math.
Archie spoke.
I can't see the board clearly. That's why I don't understand what the teacher explains.
Tom stood up.
Let's go.
Archie looked confused.
But where?
Tom smiled and pulled his hand gently. Archie put his books back in his bag and followed him. Tom took him to an eye clinic. After checking, the doctor suggested glasses. Tom bought glasses for him. Then they headed to Archie's house. Tom talked with Arthur.
Uncle. Archive solved the math problem correctly. But his eyesight is weak. So he can't see the board clearly. I took him to the eye clinic. And the doctor said he needs glasses.
Arthur felt sad. He hugged Archie.
I'm sorry, my dear. I didn't believe you.
Then he looked at Tom.
Thank you, son. You did what I should have done.
Tom smiled.
He is my little brother. No need for sorry.
After having tea together, Tom left. Now Archie started doing well in all subjects. One day, Sir Thompson called him to the board. Archie solved the problem correctly. Sir Thompson was surprised. And so were all the classmates. He smiled.
Good job.
Archie went back to his seat, smiling. During break time, John came and said,
Archie, will you be my friend?
Archie nodded, smiling. John asked curiously,
How did you become so good at studies?
Archie replied,
Because of my brother Tom. Actually, he's my friend. But older than me. He helped me a lot.
John smiled.
Good people bring good in life.
Both smiled happily. Moral: listen to your child.